Hey everybody, this week on Behind the Yellow Door, Mom is in Mexico, so you've got me on my back porch. I just wanted to go over a few things that we are loving in the store right now, especially since Valentine's Day is coming up. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this Not Today detangling shower comb, and it has a hangable little thing on it right there, so you can hang it in your shower. This is so great. If you do not have one of these already, you need to get one. This is for when you're in the shower, you put conditioner in your hair and you just comb it out so you don't have to worry about all the tangles when you get out of the shower. This is kind of one of those gifts that maybe you wouldn't buy for yourself. So if you have a Valentine, or send your hubs in to get you a great little gift, and we can put some other things together with it. But this is just a necessity that's kind of like a little sweet treat. Okay, so to pair with the shower comb, we have our Ice and Easy Hot and Cold Body Wraps. Y'all, this is always a bestseller. Every time we get it in, we sell out. This is a body wrap that you can microwave and make it warm, or put it in the freezer and make it cold. It has these little IntelliGel micro beads, it says, and it just is the best. So if you've got a little bit of a headache, a little tummy ache, have a sore muscle, this is great to put that hot cold on it and to help soothe whatever you've got going on. This could be paired back great with the shower combs as a little self-care. So to go along with this, we also have some other goodies. Okay, this is one of my all-time favorites. This is the Sore Winner. This is a massager, and it has a suction cup on it, so you can stick it to the wall. It has this roller ball that just is like a deep tissue massage when you don't have anybody there to help you, or you don't have time to book your appointment with your masseuse. This is a great little quick fix, great to go along with the hot cold wrap and the in shower comb. And then of course, to just top it off, these are Marty's favorites. She has multiple pairs that she carries in her car, in her purse, on her nightstand, in her bathroom. No matter where she is, she's got these. These are the Spotlight tweezers. So these are just a great pair of tweezers, but if you can see right there, when you put them together, it turns on a little light so you can see exactly what you're getting. These are great. These are great. Marty's all-time favorites. She swears by these. Okay, then of course, if you are getting dressed for Valentine's Day, you've got to have a little pink or red or a little heart, something fun on. And we just got in the cutest little headbands. This one has little Be Mine, Cutie, XO, and they have little embellishments too, which is so fun. This is an easy accessory to pop on with a white button-down shirt, a little red dress just to be festive. You can wear this to your Valentine's dinner. You could wear this to work the day of. I know Valentine's Day falls on a weekday, so this is a really, really cute little B-Day accessory. I love it. Okay, so last thing in our little Valentine's Day goodie bag that I brought home are these El Guapo cocktail concoctions. These are amazing. This is a girl out of New Orleans, and she started mixing up these amazing bitters and cordials and all sorts of fun stuff that just dresses up a cocktail for a fun event, or just for a Friday, Saturday night. But first thing is this her rose cordial. This is a classic Greek style syrup with organic rose petal and rose hips. This is so wonderful, even just to pour in a glass of Prosecco. It also has a recipe for a rose Collins mixed with ice. Put the rose cordial in with gin and club soda with a little bit of lemon juice. This stuff has won awards. It is a great little gifty to pair with a bottle of wine or a bottle of gin if you want to give somebody the little cocktail set. Of course, you can take it home for yourself and try it. And then to go along with it is their Love Potion bitters. So these little bitters are so yummy. These are also really good with just a couple of dashes in a little French 75. and it's rose, jasmine, lavender, chamomile, and hibiscus, and it says pairs well with rum, vodka, gin, and champagne. So this is a woman-owned company. It is vegan and gluten-free. Both of these are, all of her products are. So this is just a great little gifting set. Gift with your friend's favorite vodka or gin, or stop by the bubble bar and get a bottle of champagne. Great little Valentine's Day goodie for the foodie cocktail queen in your life. So these are awesome. Lastly, I want to show you the cutest little set I have on and so many new things. So if you haven't checked out our new arrivals, you need to do so. This is on it. This is Emily McCarthy, her little terry cloth set. We also showed it in the live, but this is the easiest little top. It's terry cloth with a fun sporty taping on it with a little bit of gold metallic, and I can't step back too far to show you, but it comes with a set or a pant that's like a wide leg trouser that's also that same terry cloth material, and it has an elastic waistband that makes for the coziest outfit that you can also go knock around town in. I just went and ran some errands and felt cute and comfortable, so this is a really, really great thing. Sets are not going away. Loungewear is not going away, so if you need to jump on the train, start with this one. I sure did. Also, we have some really fun events coming up. So on Monday from 12 to 5, we have Swells of Splendor, the most adorable hand-painted artwork scarves from Charleston. It's this cute girl, Wells, and she's a Georgia grad. She is coming in the store and gonna have her scarves displayed. She's also gonna have her brand new Valentine's Day scarf that has just hit her website, so that's gonna be super fun to see that. And then the following weekend, Friday and Saturday of this new week, we are having Larkin Lane in the store with the most gorgeous artisan clothing. So if you do not already know of Larkin Lane, she has she started with these amazing embroidered dresses and has just gone on to silk embroidery and silk pants and shirts, and they're just luxurious and absolutely stunning. So if you are in the market for a fabulous embroidered dress, definitely stop by. Larkin is so sweet and she'll be happy to see all of you pop in. Okay, y'all, that's all from me this week. We are going to be busy. So again, make sure you check new arrivals, and I'll be headed to the Southern Sea on Sea Island next. So be sure to follow along in our stories on Instagram and Facebook. We'll be posting some behind the scenes and little fun tips and tricks that we learned while we're there. Y'all have a great week ahead.